My experience here has been one of the best that I have ever had. I've been other places to see about getting something done. I didn't want to go with a denture type thing that, you know, you had to keep putting paste or something in, you know. I wanted something that was a little bit more secure because a lot of people don't wear their teeth, you know, and so I wanted something done. And so I started hearing about the mini implants, you know, and so I went to another dental place, and they said this could be done. You had to have grafting done. You'd have to have bone moved, and so they sent me to Chapel Hill. Went there, and he was sort of telling me all this, what all had to be done, and so then I said, well, you know, it was going to be like $40,000 or so. So I said, well, I put it off for a little while. Then someone told me about Dr. Cato, how he, you know, he does the implants, you know, and so I came here. Had 2 implants done, had the denture made, came back, had it fitted, something that I wanted done for years that nobody's been able to do for me, and he has done it, and I have been so pleased. And I have been back to a former dental place to let them see what was going on, what I had done, and told them how happy I was. And they said, well, it looks real good, you know, and said they were glad I was happy with it. But I recommend anybody that is considering dental implants to come here, Dr. Cato, and he can fix you up, and it's the best experience I've ever had. I have had so many compliments, and some people that tell me it looks so real said they'd never known that I had a denture in. Said it looks just so real.
Well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you. I thank Dr. Cato. I've been so pleased. Thank you.